What do you think about affiliate marketing? Do you think it's just posting links and hoping someone clicks them? For regular people, yes. But for you and me, it's an incredible opportunity where you can earn over $5,000 a month working just 1 hour a day. In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how thousands of people are doing this right now with Prompt10. If you're struggling to make ends meet or tired of trading your time for money, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive straight in. Okay, let's talk about how to make money first in general. The first thing you need to understand about making money is that to make money, you need to sell something in exchange for money. Now, what you're selling can be a product or a service. So before you can get paid, you need to have something of value that people are willing to pay for. Creating your own products will cost you a lot of money and time. So this is not advisable for anyone who doesn't have much money to create products, stock inventory, and handle deliveries. The second way to make money is to sell a service. And for you to do this, you must be an expert at a skill before you can offer it to people. Now, we don't have the time to spend months learning a skill. We need something that can be making us money right now. Now, that leads us to the third option created by Prompt10, which is affiliate marketing. Step 1, product selection. The first 20 minutes of your hour should be spent researching and selecting the right products to promote. This is where most affiliates go wrong. They try to promote everything. On Prompt10, you'll find countless digital courses and soon physical products, but you don't want to promote all of them. Instead, look for products with high commission rates. Aim for 30% to 85%. Products that can solve real problems for specific audiences. Products with proven sales records on the platform. Prompt10 makes this easy by showing you conversion rates and earning potentials right on their dashboard. Focus on one product that you can understand very well and that has a clear target audience. Step 2 is audience targeting. The next 15 minutes are critical. This is where you identify exactly who needs the products that you've selected. Let's say you've chosen to promote a digital course teaching people how to start a freelance business. Who needs this? People stuck in low-paying jobs, recent graduates, stay-at-home parents looking for flexible income, or professionals wanting to escape the 9-to-5 grind. Prompt10 gives you tools to identify these demographic groups and where they hang out online. The key is specificity. The most targeted your approach, the higher your conversion rate will be. Step 3 is strategic promotion. This is where the magic happens. Spend your final 25 minutes actually promoting your selected product, but not spamming links everywhere. Instead, create micro content that highlights the problem that your product solves. Share testimonials and results from actual users. Engage with comments and questions to build trust, and use your unique Prompt10 tracking link. What separates successful affiliates from those who fail is understanding that you are not selling a product. You are selling a solution to a problem. Frame everything around how the product changes lives and not just what features it has. Don't just take my word for it. Let me share some real examples of people who've transformed their lives with Prompt10. Now, I need to address what is probably going on through your mind. If it was that easy, why isn't everyone doing it? The truth is, most people fail at affiliate marketing for these simple reasons. 1, they don't commit to the 1 hour a day system consistently. 2, they try to promote too many products all at once. 3, they target everyone instead of specific audiences. And 4, they give up after the first week without seeing results. The affiliates who succeed on Prompt10 understand that consistency beats perfection. It's better to spend 1 focused hour every day than to work 10 hours once a week. Are you ready to start your journey to earning $5,000 monthly with just 1 hour a day? Here's exactly what you need to do. Visit the link in the description to create your free Prompt10 account. Complete the quick verification process. Browse the marketplace and select one high commission product. Identify your target audience and start promoting using the strategies I've shared. Now, let me be clear. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a sustainable income stream that gives you freedom and control over your life. Prompt10 has created a unique ecosystem where both product creators and affiliates can thrive together. The system I've shared today isn't complicated. It doesn't require any special skills or even previous experience. It simply requires following a proven system consistently for 1 hour each day. If this video has helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more strategies on building real income streams. Drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway and I will personally respond to every single message. Remember, the difference between dreaming about financial freedom and actually achieving it is in taking the first step. I'll see you on the inside.